Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to delete your account in Candy Crush Saga. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Candy Crush application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and go ahead and log into your account so just you can make sure that your account still exists. So after opening up the game guys and logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of your progress on the home page. As you can see, here is the map, I can see all the events and the shop at the bottom of the screen and so on. So guys, let's say that for some reason now we want to go ahead and delete our account, we do not want to use it anymore. So guys, what we have to do is, because this game does not allow you to directly delete your account from the game itself, what we have to do guys is to go ahead and contact customer support. So we're going to go ahead and do that guys by opening up our internet browser and typing in King Contact Support. So what we want to do guys, open up this first link right here that says contact us at king.com and click on that guys, and here now we can go ahead and enter in our mail that we want to send them. You can choose your email, your full name, choose the game. Let's go ahead and just select Candy Crush Saga or whatever, and select what the topic is. So I select something like account login questions issues and say I want to delete my account. So guys, just go ahead and type in that. I'm having a little trouble, and after typing in that guys, now we can go ahead and enter our info such as our email and password and just go ahead and click on submit. So after submitting this form guys, you can go ahead and submit it to their support and they will review it and then they will delete your account. But yeah guys, basically that is the only way that you can do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.